Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to set up a continuous integration pipeline using GitHub Actions to automate testing for a Python project. CI is a critical part of DevOps practices, helping teams ensure that every change to the code base gets automatically tested, reducing bugs and speeding up development. Step by step process that we are going to do today are like step 1 introduction, in step 2 project setup and requirements, in step 3 creating a GitHub Actions workflow, in step 4 pushing changes and triggering the pipeline. In step 5 we are going to check the results. Let's dive into the demo. The first step is to make sure we have a Python project set up. Here I've got a simple Python project with a few test cases using Unittest framework. The project has the following structure. As you can see on my screen, my Python project folder has another folder tests. There's a file under the same folder, my Python project main.py. It has some functions in here, and there is like a test underscore main.py with some test cases. I'm going to provide you with this source code in my description. Please go and check out. In step 3, we are going to create a GitHub Actions workflow. Now let's set up GitHub Actions for automated testing. In the root of your repository, create a folder called .github/workflows. So I'm going to create a new folder on the root of the repository .github/workflows. Inside that, I am going to create a file called ci.yaml. Now we are going to write this YAML file. So first of all, we have to give a name here, Python CI. Then I am going to write on push branches, that would be main branch, and on pull requests. Branches, then again that would be a main branch. So we are going to create a jobs, that would be, let's say, test, and we are going to define that will run on Ubuntu latest. Then we are going to write steps, what steps we are going to perform in this pipeline. So for that, I am going to give the name, wherein first we are going to check out code that is using actions from the marketplace. Then the next step is like to set up Python. Set up Python. That is using actions again. Set up Python. Then the next step is to install some dependencies. I'm going to write run because we need to add run, then only we'll be able to, let's say, run some command lines within the pipeline. So this is like mandatory step here. Python -m pip install --upgrade pip, followed by pip install -r requirements dot text, then -name colon run test, then again run python space -m unit test discover test. Let's cross check our YAML file before pushing this to the repository. So I'm going to save this file, and I think I forgot to add which Python version to use. So for example, we can take any version. I'll take Python 3.10 for this tutorial. You can take whatever you like. So I think that's it. So this looks good. Now let's try to push these changes. Update CI file. I'm going to commit these changes and then push. As soon as we push, there should be like a action. Let's see. Yeah, I can see the action update CI file, but it is failing. Let's refresh. Pull request is not a valid event name. Yeah, there's like a spelling mistake. Let's correct that. Save once again. Update file. Commit and then push. So let's see if it will work now. So once again it is failing. There's some other error, I guess. Let's check what is that exactly. Actions, update file, scroll down, no jobs defined in jobs. Okay, looks like we did not define any jobs here, but okay, let's update this to small j. And then let's try to push it again. Forgot to commit. Let's push that again. Hopefully it should work this time, but looks like no. Workflow is invalid. Unexpected runs on. Okay, looks like there are a bit mistakes. Apologize for that, but that should be okay. See, this is how we learn things. Let me push that once again. I am afraid that it might fail at this step because we don't have requirements.txt file defined. Let's check. Oh, looks like it is running. As you can see, install dependencies expected, could not open. There's no such file or directory. For now, I will try to remove this. I don't want to install this. directly we will try to run tests. Let's see if that works. So this is in progress. Checkout code is done. Looks like our job is success. As you can see on my screen, we have a green pipeline. The tests were like running. It ran 2 tests successfully and it looks okay, as you can see. So the pipeline is green. You have just set up a continuous integration pipeline using GitHub Actions to automate testing your Python code. This simple setup helps improve the quality and reliability of your code base by running automated tests every time you make a change. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.